In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Gmail, Outlook, and Google Contacts with LinkedIn. We'll start by getting your contacts out of Google and then bringing them into Outlook so they're ready to use across your Microsoft account and, ultimately, to support your LinkedIn networking. First, sign into your Gmail account in a web browser. From there, open Google Contacts. The quickest way is to click the Google Apps grid near your profile picture and choose Contacts, or go directly to contacts.google.com. Give the page a second to load your address book and glance at the left sidebar to confirm you're looking at the set of contacts you actually want to move, whether that's all contacts or a particular label. Next, export your contacts. In Google Contacts, look for the Export option, usually found in the left sidebar. When prompted, choose which contacts to export. All contacts is a safe choice if you want everything, and then select the format. For bringing contacts into Outlook, choose the Outlook CSV format if available. If you only see Google CSV or vCard, CSV will still work. Click Export and save the file to a place you'll remember, like your desktop or Downloads folder. If you've cleaned up duplicates in Google first, your import will be tidier, but you can also handle that later in Outlook. Now move over to Outlook. Sign into your Outlook account in a browser and open the People view, which is your contact manager. You can reach it from the app launcher or by going to outlook.com/people. Once you're in People, make sure you're looking at all contacts so the imported entries will be easy to verify. If you organize contacts into folders, know which one you want to use before you import. Click Import Contacts and choose the CSV file you just exported from Google. Select the file, confirm the choice, and start the import. Outlook may take a moment to process, especially if you have a large address book. When it's done, refresh the page and scan. All contacts to confirm names and email addresses look correct. If you see duplicates, use Outlook's cleanup tools to merge or remove them. Spot check a few entries to ensure phone numbers and job titles landed in the right fields. That's it. Your Google contacts are now in Outlook, which keeps your address book consistent and makes it easier to connect with people on LinkedIn later when you use LinkedIn's options to find contacts from your email accounts. Thanks for following along.